To start, let's first draw our diagram. Remember, when you work with geometry, putting things on paper makes things much easier. And next, let's go ahead and insert all the information we've been given into the diagram. For example, here we know that all line segments meet at right angles, which means we can call all of these angles here 90 degrees. As a next step, let's identify the sides of the shape whose lengths we don't know yet. We can see that we lack a length for this side here, and we also lack a length for this side here. Now, one thing we should be able to see is that this length right here should be the equivalent of this length plus this length. In other words, we can call this length 2x plus 4. A bit trickier is the length of this length over here. We know logically it should equal this length down here minus this length over here. In other words, our missing length should be the 2x plus 5 minus the 6 minus x. Now, when we do the algebra, remember to distribute the negative both to the 6 as well as to the negative x. In other words, this should be 2x plus 5 minus 6 minus negative x, which of course is plus x. In other words, when we combine the like terms, this length is 3x minus 1. As a final step, to get the perimeter of this shape, let's go ahead and add up the lengths of all the sides. In other words, we're going to add the x plus 4 plus the 3x minus 1 plus the x plus the 6 minus x plus the 2x plus 4 plus the 2x plus 5. When we add up the x's, x plus 3x is 4x, plus another x is 5x. When we remove an x, we're down to 4x. And finally, adding 2x and then another 2x should take us to 8x in total. And that in and of itself is enough to solve this question, because we should always have one eye on the answer choices, and we can see there's only one answer choice that starts 8x plus something. But just to be on the safe side, let's go ahead and finish up our calculations. Let's combine the whole numbers. 4 plus negative 1 is positive 3. Plus 6 more takes us to positive 9. Plus 4 takes us to 13. And finally, plus 5 takes us to 18. And there you go. That's the proof that here 8x plus 18 is the correct answer.